Welcome back to another haul, you guys. I know, right? Hauling a lot lately, but I found some really adorable stuff at the Dollar General. I actually seen a Dollar General haul. It was like a fall haul, and as soon as I watched her haul, I knew that I had to give my tail to the Dollar General, because once the fall stuff gets out, once Christmas stuff gets out, once any seasonal stuff gets out, it usually typically gets picked over pretty quickly. So I had to get my hands on some of this stuff before it went. One random item I did pick up is this 2-pack of toothpick. You get 150 toothpicks in each of these, so you get 300 toothpicks and you get the dispensers. And yeah, I just needed them, got them. Connor also got a Halloween mask, and I will insert a picture of it here. It was $1, and it's kind of like a spooky pumpkin, but he loves it. So we're gonna jump right in, and I got one candle, and I got the Perfect Harvest Pumpkin Pecan Cobbler. This is a very, very bakery-esque candle. Oh my goodness, it's so, like, it's very high-pitched in the jar, so I'm hoping it has a wonderful throw. Wick is centered. It was only $1, and definitely pumpkin, so, oh man. So I wanted to test this out before I commit to buying a big jar. I got this adorable dishcloth. It's like microfiber. It's throwing the color of the video off a little bit, but it's sunflowers. I love the sunflowers. It has the leaves on it. Oh my goodness, this is so adorable. And I got this for decor, so it's gonna hang on the stove, or well, the oven. I got this adorable little like shadow box thing. I guess this is like a shadow box. All this stuff is $1, you guys, $1. They had like some cute trucks, and I may go back and get one of them. They are adorable. But they had a ton, I mean, just a ton of stuff at the Dollar General. But this says Hello Fall. It's a cute little shadow box. It's got leaves and that. How adorable is that? Just to set back in your decor. And I wanted to add some new pieces this year, so that's what I'm doing. Now, I did get this, these cute little pumpkins here. Once again, $1 each. They have a clip on them. You can hang like or put a picture back here or whatever you want. But this says Be Thankful, and has a burlap bow on it. And how adorbs is that? And this is the first one I picked up, and then I thought this one actually said Happy Halloween until I glanced at it again. And once again, $1. Has the clip on there. It has it says Happy Harvest, and it has chevron print on there, and I had to snatch this one up as well. Isn't that adorable? But yeah, that's all the awesome items I found at the Dollar General today for fall that I picked up. They, like I said, they had a ton of different stuff, but I just got like some of the little like dollar stuff today. And I may go back for that $5 wooden truck with the cute little hay bales and pumpkins and corn and stuff like that in it. And they had a red one and a blue one, but I'll probably pick up the red one if I was going to. And yes, hope you guys enjoyed the haul. Get your butts to Dollar General and check out all this fall stuff they have. And I'm definitely going to go back and purchase some more candles, more than likely. And I'm going to test this candle out. So, yes, stay tuned for more hauls. Thank you guys for watching. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and ring the bell so you don't miss any other upcoming hauls.